Do you want to start a crochet business but don't know where to start? Then this video is for you. In this video, I will teach you guys on how to start your own crochet business and some useful tips. Watch till the end of this video. Let's get started. Keep in mind that if you want to start a crochet business, you have to be patient in making your products and approaching potential customers. Step 1. Think of a business name. Brainstorm ideas, maybe your name or your pet's name, your favorite food, etc. Search online, search on Google or Pinterest. Anything related to crochet. But if you can't think of a name, it's okay, maybe you'll figure it out later. Step 2. Determine what you will make. So you can look for patterns. Like keychains, headbands, or plushies. Make a survey on what kind of crochet products your potential customers want to buy. Step 3. Make sure you have a capital or money first. You can start with a small amount of money, it's up to you. Step 4. Make a list of the things you need to purchase for your business. Like yarns, keychain holders, or for the packaging. Make a budget list. Step 5. Purchase the things you need for your business. Make sure that you're going to buy good quality yarns that are also affordable. Tip: you can purchase many yarns if you want to, but it would be nice to only buy maybe 5 to 8 yarns of different colors, or some of them are the same color. So that you can make product samples first and see if people actually wants to buy those kind of products. Step 6. Write down your expenses. Step 7. Start making your products. Look for tutorials and ideas on YouTube and Pinterest or create your own pattern. Check out my channel for crochet ideas. I have uploaded plenty of ideas with examples. Step 8. Now set a price. Search online about the prices of your crochet projects and see if you would like to sell them with the same price. Sell it to a price worth for your hard work or time allotted in making them. Don't be afraid to sell it on a good price, especially if the materials are pretty expensive. A tip for you guys is to add a small amount to the price so when they bargain it's still a good price. Step 9. Make potential customers. Advertise your products. Post it online. Or at least tell people about your business and let your friends or family know. Know your target customers. Is it the elderly or teens? Know who wants or likes crochet stuff in your area. Listen to your customers if they have any suggestions about your business, also learn to improve more from their feedbacks. Step 10. You can also try some marketing strategies. Like giving discounts to your customers who frequently purchase from your business. Or give free samples. If you have gained profit, set it aside and you can use some of it to buy yarns and other materials again. Now you have a total guide on how to start a crochet business. If some of y'all are selling crochet stuff, I hope you guys earn a lot and have a successful business.